It's flashing, is that right?
Waiting. A scooter? Your very own scooter?
Yeah. Oh, wait.
Eric?
Yes.
Here's Ella opening her birthday present. Bridget's getting in it as well.
Hey, do you want a very own scooter?
And this is your one. This one has got your scooter. This one's my one now.
What'd you say, Ella?
That's very own scooter. Thank you, Daddy.
From Grandma.
And Grandad? What'd you say, Ella?
Thank you, Daddy.
No, thank you.
Thank you.
Grandma and Grandad. Go on then, off you go.
I just sit like this. Yeah, I can go backwards like that.
Go on then, stand up. Have a go.
Daddy,
Hmm.
Mum, I can skip you.
Come on then.
Scoot, scoot, scoot.
Very good.
So, he made my scooter. Scoot. This one is big pumpkin. This one is big orange. Daddy, you like to try my super scooter.
Your super scooter?
Yeah, scoot like that.
It's Lindsay for Dad. You have another go.